Has that sound effects man shown up yet?
Not yet, Jonesy.
Have you tried the corner saloon?
Wait a minute. I heard that. Big mouth.
Drunk again.
I refuse to go on the air with a drunken sound effects man.
Get someone sober, for heaven's sake.
You stay out of this, ham bone. Okay, I'm ready for the joke, Gonzi.
You better be. Get into the sound effects booth.
Don't rush me. How about a little kiss first? Her first.
You stay away from her, you big lush.
Who are you calling a slush?
Oh, I haven't...
Do you expect us to go on the air with a drunken sound effects man?
It's too late. Places, everybody.
Never seen anything so
absurd.
unprofessional in my
Can't work in conditions like this.
5, 4,
Concentration
3,
is absolutely gone.
2, 1, use it.
Sylvia, I told you never to come here.
I had to see you, Norman.
But you might have run into Linda. She just went down to the drugstore for a minute.
I know, I just saw her leave. You haven't told her about us, have you, Norman?
I haven't had the chance.
You mean you haven't had the nerve? Norman, I refuse to go on like this, constantly being the other woman.
Sylvia, you can't stay. Linda will be back any minute.
I am not leaving until you promise to ask her for a divorce.
I promise.
I don't believe you. Oh, these past few weeks have just been dreadful.
Sylvia. Sylvia, please.
I'd like a drink, Norman.
Of course, Sylvia. Here. This wine is excellent. A little heavy, perhaps? To beautiful memories.
And to tender moments. To love.
From the bottom of my heart.
Have you got a cigarette?
Of course.
Oh, that's a new case. I haven't seen that one before.
Linda gave it to me for our anniversary. When I open it, it plays our song. We met at a parade.
It's lovely. May I see it?
Of course.
Oh.
Sylvia, what are you doing? You might strike someone in the street. There are people down there walking. And swimming. Sylvia, please. It's 2 o'clock. You must leave. It's getting late.
It's later than you think.
I'm expecting the telephone to ring any second now.
Yes, I thought you'd be getting a phone call by now.
Wonder why the phone doesn't ring.
Answer it.
Oh, yes, the phone. Hello. Oh, hello, Linda. Yes, darling. Of course. See you later, then. Bye-bye.
What did she want?
She's stopping off and seeing her sister before she comes home.
Oh. Norman! Norman, why don't we just run away together? I know a little town in Mexico.
No, Sylvia. I couldn't bear to leave New York. I'd go out of my mind if I couldn't hear the noises of the city, the policeman's whistle, the taxis, the cattle. It gets to you after a while. Oh, Sylvia. Sylvia Thurgood! I can't pretend anymore. Sit down. It's best to have everything out in the open. Darling, something has happened that I didn't expect. I've fallen in love with my own wife. I'm sorry.
I knew it! I just knew it! That's why I came here today!
Shh, Sylvia, keep your voice down. Shh, quiet. The baby is sleeping in the next room. He's having a nap. Wait, I think I hear him crying. His cold is a little worse today.
I was afraid this would happen, Norman, but it can't go on any longer.
Sylvia, no.
I'm sorry, Norman. If I can't have you, no one can. Goodbye, Norman.
Sylvia, no.
Goodbye, Norman.
Sylvia, no.
Goodbye, Norman.
Sylvia, no.
Goodbye, Norman.
Missed! Give me that gun, you little fool!
I'm hit. I'm bleeding.
My darling, I'll call the ambulance. Hello, will you send over an ambulance quickly? Never mind where.
Oh, Norman, it's too late. They'll never get here in time.
Hang on, my darling. Hang on, my darling. I think I hear the ambulance siren now. Hospital ship.
It's getting dark, Norman. What
No.
are we going to do?
No, my darling.
I just...
Okay.
There's only one thing.